Today, I'll show you how to raise a ticket to Salesforce. Whether you're encountering an issue or need assistance with a particular feature, knowing how to effectively raise a ticket can save you time and help you get the support you need. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Salesforce account and navigating to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the question mark icon, often referred to as the help icon. This icon is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open up a menu with several options related to help and support. Next, you'll need to select the specific cloud environment that relates to your issue. Salesforce offers various cloud services such as Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, and more. Each is designed to cater to different business needs, so it's important to choose the one that aligns with the problem you're experiencing. For instance, if you're having trouble with sales analytics or lead management, you'd likely select Sales Cloud. Similarly, if your issue pertains to email marketing or customer journeys, Marketing Cloud would be the appropriate choice. After selecting the correct cloud environment, you'll need to choose the technical category that matches your problem. This step is crucial as it helps route your ticket to the right team within Salesforce, who can assist you more efficiently. Categories might include issues like login problems, data management, integration challenges, or any other technical aspect related to the cloud service you're using. Take a moment to carefully read through the options and select the most relevant category for your issue. Once you've made these selections, it's time to fill out the case details. This is your opportunity to clearly and concisely describe the issue you're facing. Be sure to include any relevant information that might help the support team understand and resolve your problem more quickly. Start by providing a brief summary of the issue in the subject line. Then, in the description section, outline the problem in more detail. Include any error messages you've received, steps you've already taken to troubleshoot the issue, and how long the problem has been occurring. The more information you provide, the better equipped the support team will be to assist you. Additionally, if you have any screenshots or documents that could help illustrate the issue, be sure to attach them to your ticket. Visual aids can often provide context that words alone might not capture, making it easier for the support team to diagnose and solve the problem. Once you've completed filling out the case details and attached any necessary files, review everything to ensure accuracy. Double-check that you've selected the correct cloud environment and technical category, and that your description is clear and comprehensive. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and submit your ticket. After submitting, you'll typically receive a confirmation email from Salesforce acknowledging receipt of your ticket. This email might also include a case number, which you can use to track the status of your ticket or reference in any follow-up communications with the Salesforce support team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively raise a ticket to Salesforce and set yourself up for a quick resolution. Remember, being detailed and accurate in your case submission is key to receiving timely and effective support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.